Hi y'all, today we're going to be doing a top K frequent elements. It's a media problem, and we're going to be using the bucket sort. So we're going to be using Python counter to make a hash map from collection, import, counter. Uh, it's going to have the key, the number, and the value is going to be the number of occurrences. Count equal count, counter, nums. And once we have the hash map, we're gonna make a list for I in range of length nums plus 1. This is gonna store the index. The index is gonna be the frequency, and the value is gonna be the numbers that has that amount of frequency. So for now, and count items, you just copy it. Oops. Frequency count dot pen, and once we're done copying it, we're gonna go through it for I and range length frequency. We're gonna go backwards from our list that we made, and we're gonna return each what's it called? Each value. So the value is gonna be the numbers that has the not the frequency, it's the value that has. It's just a number. So for n in I, we just wanna, oh hold up, we need our resulting array like that, and we just want to add that there. Let's see. Oh, sorry, result dot append n. So we add it, and we just keep going until it's the same length as if length of result equal k, then we just return it. Return right. And yeah. So basically, first we like create a hash map. It's gonna be like, so 1 occurs 1 time, 1 like that, then 2 occurs 2 times, then 3 occurs 3 times. This is how this hash map is gonna look like. And for this, it's just the opposite. In this problem, it's like very tricky because it's like reversed. But yeah, you basically just, instead of returning, you basically just like switch it, Then I don't know, it's more efficient because the length, yeah, it's just more efficient.